Welcome back, Hot Wheels and Diecast collectors. Today I have the last three of the Target Red Edition exclusives. Now I've pulled all of the Red Editions for 2020, especially since I had to make room in my wall display, and these are the last three. But we're going to start out by looking at the ones from earlier this year. The first batch started with the Indy 500 Oval, which is loosely based on the Indy cars, but a way that they could do it without a license. The second one was the Dodge Viper SRT ACR, which looks pretty good in red. So that was a nice addition. And this one, which is amusing and collectors like it, is the Gotta Go potty seat with lots of hidden toilet references, if you can find them. The next three, number 4 is the Bone Shaker with the closed roof in a matte white finish, which is very nice. It says Bone Shaker on the side, and that matte white. Number 5 was the Aston Martin Vulcan in a beautiful red with a little bit of detailing there and on the sides. And then number 6 was the Tooligan in a red and black color scheme. Number 6 is the 68 Shelby GT 500 in white with flames, which looks really nice. Red windows. Number 8 is the Custom Auto. Nod to Otto Cooney. He used to do the artwork back in the day for Hot Wheels. First time in the main line. And number 9 was the McLaren P1 in white with red accents. The front and rear detail. Pretty nice. So number 10 in the Red Edition series comes to us from number 222 in the main line, the Custom 18 Ford Mustang GT in red. This is the version of the Joey Logano race car. And that looks pretty good in a metallic red, candy apple red Hot Wheels race team livery. I'll take it. Number 11 is number 215 in the main line, and it is the Sandblaster, which is based on a Ford F-150 pickup truck. This one in a red Borla livery. And the casting is massive. This thing is huge. If you look real close, probably can't see it on camera, but it does say F-O-R-D on the front grille of this car. This back piece used to be a plastic piece, but I think because it popped out of the car inside the package, I think they went with metal, or maybe just to reduce the number of pieces that a casting has. And the last one for 2020, number 12 out of 12, is number 208 out of the main line, and it is the 91 Mazda MX-5 Miata in white with red accents. And this looks really good. Could see this as a real car. We've got a red license plates. Front and rear detail is nice. That looks pretty good. There you go. All of the red edition for 2020. Tell me in the comments down below which one's your favorite. Which one are you still looking for? Leave me a like. If you don't subscribe, subscribe and hit that bell for the notifications. And we'll see you next time.